Shenzhen Vanplex Co Ltd was established in 2015. Is a professional, innovator, and leading supplier engaged in the research, development, supply, sale, and service of 360 Photobooth, 360 Photobooth enclosure backdrop, mirror Photobooth, iPad Photobooth, DSLR Photobooth. Vanplex is one of the professional supplier of party equipment and relative products. Our associated company with modern production lines and experienced employees. We also have powerful development team and advanced test devices. The products are exported to clients in worldwide, but mainly in USA, Canada, Mexico, Europe, and South America. Our products can comply with the ETL, CETL, SAA, LM79, LM80, CE and ROS testing, and with patent design also long warranty. Since our establishment, we've constantly absorbed all kinds of talents, also improved the product quality and professionalism of staffs to expand our company. All our sales are with 2 to 10 years experience in foreign trade area. Strict quality assurance system and perfect management system. Top quality product and after-sales service are our foothold. Our company in line with the quality first, reputation first principle to provide customers with quality and quantity of all kinds of products. We highly welcome OEM and ODM orders. Let's start a win-win business.